Here is the inflation. Now this inflation is occur in two situations. The first one is inflation occur due to what? Due to cost of production. Inflation due to what? Occur due to cost of production. Cost of production. The second one is inflation occur what? Due to demand. Due to demand. Here is the inflation is occurring what? In two ways. The first one is that inflation occurs due to what? Due to the cost of production. The inflation is occur what? Due to the demand. Due to demand. Here, this case, for example, under this cost of production, let's say trade. What is the cost of during we are producing what? Tape. What is those costs that are investing for tape production? The first one is what? The first one is fertilizer cost. Fertilizer what? Fertilizer cost. Another seed what? Seed costs. Buying what? Cost of what? Buying what? Seeds. There is also another expensive. There is also another expensive. There is another expenses. Another expenses. In this case, the summation of this become what? Become the summation of fertilizer cost, cost of buying series, and other expense costs. What? Become raise what? Raise the cost of what? Raise the cost of tea. Therefore, if the cost of tape is high, raise over. If what happens? If the cost of what? Cost of tape raise over. Raise over. What happened? Raise over. What happened? Raise what?